Hello and welcome to this video tutorial course in which I'm going to show you how to edit your videos for free using YouTube's editor. So what I'm looking at right now is the youtube.com website, and all I'm going to do is just go to the URL here and just type in editor. So that's where we're going to start off, is just go to youtube.com/editor. And right now we're looking at the editor page. So what I'm going to do in the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to use this editor feature and how to make various types of edits to your video. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the length of your video. So right now I'm looking at the videos that I've uploaded to YouTube. So I'm just going to drag one of the videos that I'm going to edit, just drag it down here, and as you can see there's an image of the video down here, and on each side of this image are gray bars, vertical bars, so that you would just drag over. For example, this one I would just drag over to the right if I want to remove or cut the first few seconds or minutes of a video, and over here if you want to remove the last few seconds or minutes of video, you would just drag this over to the left. Okay, but let's just play this video, see how it sounds, make sure it's okay.
The traffic dashboard system. This is a great product for any.
Okay. Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and for this example, let's just remove the first few seconds, the first 10 seconds or 15 seconds. So I'm just going to drag this over. As you can see, as I'm dragging it, it shows how many seconds I'm going to be removing. So in this case, let's say 15 seconds. Usually for me it takes a couple of tries, so let me just try it again here. There. So as you can see, there was 2 minutes and 45 seconds of this video. Now it's been cut to 2 minutes and 30 seconds because I cut the first 15 seconds. So let's just play it.
Regarding this program is how many different methods of traffic
generation. Okay, so the intro part has been taken out. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a text overlay to your video, or basically if you want to watermark your video, you should watch this video. So what I'm going to do here, working with the video that we worked on the last video, we would just click on this image here, and when you do that, you'll see that you have these options that show up here. There's quick fixes, filters, text, audio, but for now let's just click on text, and we're just going to enable text. And when you do that, as you can see, there's a text that shows up on your video, and you could adjust the position of it by selecting here. You can make it bold, you can change the size. So basically you can play around with the options here, and of course you can edit here. So let's just say testing for example. Or actually, let's type in a company name, for example. Okay, so
it jumped out at me regarding.
So as you can see here, it says ABC Company. This has been watermarked. Alright, so we'll go ahead and work on the next change to this video, so we'll see you in the next tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to your video. So just continuing on from where we last left off, what we're looking at right now is we have some options here, and this is not what we want. So we're going to just click on the camera icon here. Okay, so from there you could see that the options you have change, and if you just go right here to the camera icon, click on that, and this is where you can add photos to your project. So just click on add photos, and this is where you can upload some of your photos. I've already uploaded a photo here for this example, so we're just going to select this one, select album. Okay, and once I have my photo here, I'm just going to drag down here. I could either add it to the end or I could add it to the beginning here. So let's just do that, add it to the beginning. There, and by default, it's 5 seconds long. And of course, you can change that by just dragging this over here, so you can make it last for only 4 seconds, for example. For now, we'll just leave it at 5 seconds. Okay, and if you want to see how the video looks like with this photo in front of it, we just click on the video camera icon here, press play.
It jumped out at me regarding this program.
Okay, and there you go. So we'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your video. So from here, looking at the top here, from the last time we left off, we inserted a photo into our video. Well, right beside that camera icon is a music icon. So just click on that, and when you click on that, you have a list of music tracks that you can select from. Okay, and if you want to listen to what they sound like, you can just click the play button here. Alright, but for this example, let's just select the first song, which is called Payday. Just drag it down here. It's about 1 minute and 48 seconds long, so I'm just gonna cut that to about 5 seconds long only, so that it would only play while that photo shows. Because if it plays with the other video, well, there's already audio on that, and we don't want that. Okay, so let's just remove most of this song, just make it 5 seconds long or around there. Okay, that's good enough. Oops, it usually takes a couple of attempts, so let me just try again. There you go. Okay, and if you just want to listen to what it sounds like with the video.
It jumped out at me regarding this
Okay, there, so far so good. All right, great. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a transition in your video. So the next option here, if you're following the videos, the last video we inserted a soundtrack. So basically the next option here is transition effects. So we just click this option, and there's various designs you can choose from. For this example, let's just choose the heart, and let's just drag that between the image and the video, and by default it lasts about 2 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how it looks.
Regarding this program is how many different methods of traffic generation.
There you go. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a title screen to your video. Most importantly, I mean, you could also add this to the end of your video with a marketing message. For example, you can say, for more information, go to mywebsite.com. You could also add this message to in between or in the middle of your video. Okay, but for this example, I'm just going to create a title page. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on the letter A here, and from here you could choose different options. Let's just choose the first one, which says centered title, and we'll just drag that over to the very beginning. Okay, it lasts about 2 seconds long. So as you can see, it says title text here, and if we want to edit that, we would just click on this image here. I guess you'd actually you'd have to click on this video camera icon first, and then click on this image again. So there you go. So when you click on that, you have the option here to type in your text, and of course you can also change the look of your text. So for this example, let's just say Welcome to. Okay, so this is what we typed in. Now it doesn't all fit in the video, so let's just, you could change the size to small. Okay, there you go. So there it fits. And now let's go ahead and just play the video. Okay, so far so good. Alright, so we'll see you in the next video. When you're satisfied with your video, we can now publish the video. So to publish, there's a publish button right here. We're just going to click on that, and it says this video is currently being processed. So basically it's telling us we have to come back to this page in a while when it's finished being processed. Now I find that usually around after 90% it's basically done. So that's when I would just refresh the page. But for now I'm just going to pause this video and I'm going to come back when it's about 90% complete. Okay, so now it says up here that we are about 90% done. So this is where I would hit refresh, because basically it's usually when it's 90% done, it is complete. So let's just click on the refresh button here and see what happens. Okay, there you go.
Jumped out at me regarding this program is how many different methods of traffic generation are covered. This isn't a system that covers one or two methods.
Alright, so I hope you found this information valuable, and I wish you the best of luck in editing and producing your own videos.